Come with me to IKEA. I'm so excited about this video, guys. So we started off in the candle section, and then moved on over to the vases and flowers. They had some really nice spring colors out at the moment, with lots of pinks and greens. And they also had a lot of neutral tones as well. This was my favorite cushion that I saw today. It just looks like it would be perfect for summertime. There were loads more cushions available here, in different textures and patterns. And there was also quite a big selection of plants, available too if you wanted them. We then headed into the kitchen area, where they have all their lovely homeware pieces. Again, very bright and colorful, for those who love color in your home. But again, they did have neutrals available. Then moving on down towards the end of the store, they had these beautiful green lampshades, which are absolutely stunning. If you want something a little bit more unique, you could definitely get away with using one of these in your living room. Moving on to the beauty products now. There is such an amazing range of candles, diffusers, perfumes, and everything else. You can literally find anything you need here. The prices are super reasonable, and there's always good deals going on, so make sure you check them out when you go along. Next up, we went through to the glassware section, and look how cute these little figurines are. These would be great for gifts or decorations, and they even had some vintage ones as well. How cool is that? Here we move on to the sale section. Now, this is where you will find all the bargains from around the store. Everything is heavily discounted, so you can pick yourself up some bits at a fraction of the price. After that, we headed upstairs to see what kind of furniture they had available. I love this dressing table set. The lighting underneath was gorgeous, and they also had a matching bathroom sink unit if you wanted to match them together. This dining table setup was adorable. I especially like the sushi plates. Who doesn't love sushi? All the kitchens here looked really modern and sleek and stylish. Definitely worth checking out if you're looking for inspiration. Then we came across this storage solution area. They had tons of shelving units that you could use to organize your space better. Lots of baskets and boxes, as well as other accessories to help keep things tidy. Lastly, we finished off by visiting the flower shop. Look how pretty these artificial flowers are. Perfect for adding life to any room without having. They also had a huge variety of vases and decorative items available. Thanks for coming shopping with us today. Let me know which item was your favorite.